Hey, and welcome to this quick walkthrough of Auto Service Logger. Uh, just jumping right in right here. This is the home page. It's a dashboard where you'll be able to see a lot of your general metrics for all the vehicles in your cars, um, as well as all your service events, tracking mileage, see where your top servicer is. This is also where you'll be able to see what's in your garage, right? We have nothing in here to start. And I'm going to show you how to add vehicles and services in just a moment. But once we have vehicles, you'll have them listed here and um, what the mileage is and the metrics about them. So if we go to your garage, you can see here that we have nothing here. So let's just, right, and you can choose from a list. You can get, car, truck, whatever it is. Let's just go with the car for this. And then log the current mileage. And once you add a vehicle, it's listed here. You'll see that there is no service events currently, and I'll show you how to add those in a second, and it gives you just a quick overview of your vehicle. You can also upload a CSV here. We'll come back to this in a little bit. But now that we have a vehicle, let's go and add a service event, right? So you can select your vehicle here, select the date that it was done. You can select the current date. You can go and add service events that were done in the past if you want to add them in. So we just select a random date here. You can put in the mileage of the car. If you want to update the total mileage of the car that is shown on your garage, you can just check this. We're not going to do that. Say that the performer was us, and then for servicing, let's just say we changed engine oil filter, rotated tires, and let's add a service doc. I'm just going to use some random PDFs here. You can create a service event. You can see here it's created. Once you have an event, we have this all listed here. You can see the service doc itself once it was there. Great. So now let's just add another event real quick here. So do it for the same vehicle. What I want to show you is you can add as many documents as you want, right? So engine oil changed, new tires, replaced spark plugs, right? Something like that. So we go choose files. We can select up to however many we want here. Let's just add all three of these, upload those, create this service event. And if we go down here and we click on this service event, we'll notice that it has all the service docs. Again, these are just random PDFs. All right, so now that we have these service docs, you can see here just some filtering, normal things you can look around and find all these different events, and you can search per vehicle. We only have one vehicle right now. You can search by date, look for the servicer in here. Let's clear these. Let's just go add another car. Let's go back to the garage, and let's just add a motorcycle here. And add that vehicle. Great. Now, let's say you're coming into this app and you already have logged your events for your vehicles in an Excel file, right? So let's just upload our events to Auto Service Logger. So we're going to upload events for the Speedster. We're going to choose that file in the CSV format and click here, and we're going to go to upload. It's going to take us to this next screen where we get to actually pick the columns that correlate to the data in the app, right? So the service date in our Excel sheet is going to be the date, the mileage is going to be the miles, the servicer, well, we did the performer, and service description is actual details. And then we go to import data. You can see now we have all of these additions in here for that vehicle, right? And again, just to show off the filtering, if we come up here and we select test vehicle and go back to the first page, you can see here We just have that vehicle filtered out. Clear the filters, and there we go. So now, let's say we want to come in here and we're either selling this car or we have a warranty or we just want to make a report. So you can come over here to the vehicle you want to make a report and just click this generate report. And it's going to generate a report of all of the services that have occurred for the car. And again, it's just going to take the service information that was done for each service event, put it into a table here for easily viewing it, and it takes all of the documents at the end and puts them all into this one PDF, right? All right, we can come over here, we can do here, and we can edit, right? So let's just actually say we forgot to add a PDF. So we add that to here. Now that we have that, we're going to say, updated, and we upload this service event. Then we can see here it was changed, and we can go down here, and we have the service doc right there to view. Now, over here, we can also, on top of edit, we can choose to delete an event as well, right? And you delete the event, and it's removed. That's basically the functionality for the service events. Now, if we go to the garage here, you can also take a vehicle and delete a vehicle as well, and everything goes away, and we're back down to these two service events for that vehicle. All right, if we go back to the dashboard here, you can see now that we have actual data in here. You can see our number of cars listed here, total service events, total mileage for all our cars in the garage, and then our top servicer. It gives you the last couple of service events that have occurred here. And again, we have our quick actions here to add a vehicle, add a service, or import services. And this was what I was talking about earlier. For each car in your garage, you'll have a quick view of the vehicle name, details about it, mileage, what type of it is, and the service events here. And so that was a quick walkthrough of Auto Service Logger and all the capabilities we have right now. We're still continuing to build, and we look forward to hearing from you and feature requests on what you'd like to be in here next. Thanks.